Thanks for taking me to dinner, babe. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2008 Saab 9.5 that I had purchased off Copart a couple weeks ago and have successfully, as you can see, rebuilt. And that is Melanie. She's driving me to dinner right now, and this is the first. She's driving us to dinner right now. How do you like this one with 43,000 miles on it? Tell me, since I'm back here so comfortable.
Sold. I don't like it. I love it. A thing.
Go right here behind this. There's a spot right here. Pull over.
Okay.
Put the blinker light on.
Where?
And back up behind this Dodge. Go.
You're gonna park it. Right?
Yeah, that's fine. Just back it. Cut to the right. Go. Cut right. Cut right. Keep going. Now cut it straight.
I'm not parking.
No, you are. You're doing a good job. Keep going. Cut it straight. Cut left. Hard left. Go. Hard left. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Pull forward and cut right. Okay, stop. Now straighten it up and back up. You're not straight. Straighten the wheel. There you go. Back up straight. Go. Go.
Good.
Yeah, nice parking job. If you like Melanie's parking job, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Because Melanie just parallel parked after she said she didn't want to drive. And she did a great job. So, good job, Melanie.
Thanks.
Look at that perfect parking spot. Perfect. Good job, Mel. Say hi to everybody.
Pretty good park job.
I think that's the best parking job you've ever done. Alright guys, we'll see you here in a minute. We're gonna have some dinner, and tomorrow or whenever I get to it, we're gonna do some polishing and ceramic coating on this car. To some loud company this early morning. Well, it's like 2 days later since I just had that last clip, and I put about 100 miles on this car. That was 100 miles of highway, 100 miles of city. So it's been running beautifully, absolutely gorgeous. It literally runs brand new. It looks brand new, it runs brand new, it is like new. So what I wanted to do real quick before I get into doing a buff on the paint, I'm just gonna do a polish, not a cut. Polish and then a ceramic coating. So I wanted to show you, since we did the check valve and the valve cover, that it has remained dry all around, which is good. That's what we wanted. As you can see down there, it is also dry. So it is fixed. Those check valves, guys, I'm telling you, always monitor your Saab engines with those check valves. So running good. It is dry down here. Everything is perfect. All right guys, here we go. I'm gonna be using some 3M machine polish. I'll link it down in the description below, so if you guys want to do this with your car, I'll have this as well as the compound and some buffing pads for you. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do a ceramic coating. I will probably put you on fast forward because this is a process and I don't need to keep you waiting. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I just finished with the ceramic coating, and this car looks beautiful. So I'm about to take it to my favorite place to do a little photo shoot. And if you follow me on Instagram and you keep up with me, you'll see that I did a post on my storyboard. And I'm talking in the future now because I'm about to do it. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at Pancis, and you guys can message me directly on there and get behind the scenes of what happens off camera. So see you here in a second, guys. Shoot here, but check out the car, ceramic coating. Everything came off the surface of the paint, like the tar and the bugs and all the stuff that that you do when you clear coat it with clay bar. Excuse me, when you clay bar it and buff it. Look at the car. Nice, guys. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Every rim is done in detail. Just so everybody knows, I do have a new cap for this. I'm waiting for paint to come in. Once that paint comes in, I'll paint the cap and I'll put it on there and won't have a missing cap anymore. So, yeah. Looks pretty damn good. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to give me some support and give me a subscribe. Also, drop a comment, leave a feedback below, give me a like, and if you're really nice, give this video a share so all your friends can see what I do on this channel as well, because your support is everything. So thank you guys again. Check out the links below. Stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Alright guys, so if you've been following and you watched the last video I dropped, the video at the end talked about how I didn't pass inspection, and it was really only because I had just put the new exhaust on and the car hadn't reset the catalytic converter and the system hadn't cycled enough. I literally put the exhaust on, I got excited, I was like, alright, let's just drive this thing through inspection. And yeah, well, of course it failed, but here I am today, and we passed. We are done. Car has passed admissions and everything is good. So yeah, stay tuned, boys.